Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. Today in this video, as part of the advanced Linux interview question, so we're going to see about how to take a single line of input from the user in Linux. So how do you read the how do you read the input from the users, and how are you going to display it? Excuse me. So now, as part of this video, we're going to see another very interesting topic, that is, how to read the inputs. Okay, so this can be a really interesting question for your self-scriptings. So if you go for interview, the interview will try to ask you some of the self-scripting and Linux-based interview questions that can be, test your knowledge on Linux. Okay. Now the answer for this question is going to be, so the read command. So the read is the, is the keyword. Then the read command is used to be reading the output from the users. Okay, so for example, let's go back to our console. So this is the EC2 instance console. Okay, now what are we going to do is that, so as I mentioned with the read, okay, so how are you going to get the read the input about the input from the users? Okay, for example, if you can give read, okay, so for example, if you can give age, so what is your age? So if you can say that, so 24 is the age for you, then it will read the input, read the, this output of this age from this, so from this keyword, and then it'll be saving it over here. So now if you can see this echo dollar, okay, so age, if you can give, it's going to be displaying the output. Okay, this is what the read command will do. Okay, so let's say for example, we'll see another interesting topic. Okay, so I'm just giving echo. Okay, so what is your name? What is your name? Okay, now this is what the input which I'm giving. So then for that one, so for that output, what's going to be having is that, so the it's going to be reading. Okay, read is going to be, so the name. So please read the name from the output, and then the out just print the output saying that, echo. Okay, so hello. Okay, and then the name. Okay, so whatever the given is the name is going to be printing it over here. So name, okay, with the exclamatory mark. Now this is what simply we're going to give. So whenever you're typing it, it's going to be reading the name from here, right? So whenever you're giving your name, what is your name? The name I'm going to give as a cloud institution. Okay, the cloud institution is my company name. Okay, so now I'm going to give, for example, so this is the reading, reading the name. So this has already been read the from the user that what's the name. So then it's going to be giving the echo of this particular output. Okay, so now it's going to be printing out saying that, hey, hello, cloud institution. Okay, this is what the output which is going to be giving. Okay, I think I've given made a mistake. It's going to be cloud. It should be right. So now, so this is how you will be reading the input from the user. Okay, this is what called single line of reading. Okay, so as you can see here, the command line. So how to take a single line of input from the user in Linux. Okay, so you can just use with a read command, so to read the input from the user. Okay, so hope you understand this.